Alright. It's not doing much, though, because I suck, apparently. Hello? Oh, I missed! No! No. No, I hate it here. Oh, my God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Oh, God. Where's my melee? Slicey, slice, slice, slice! Ow. Okay. Hi, Melee, good to see you. Magic and Mag should have a team up where he gives Magic. Wait, where he gives Magic his sword and it triples her range for a bit. What? You think Magic needs a buff? Because I fucking don't. Liar. Nuh-uh. Mods, can I get a shout out for fucking Warp Star? Because Warp is a fucking streamer now? Thanks. You can't look at Mag and not thirst. Like, bro, if he's 70, I'm 30. Wait, what? If he's 70, I'm 70. Oh, God, my slime. Like, how can I? Bro, I'm sorry. I'm simping over pixels. Alright. I need MVP, guys. Everybody suck balls so I can get MVP. But we need a win, so I don't know how that's gonna work, so. Kenzo's like, I'm disappointed as a mag main. I like the noises that it makes, so. No, Jeff is one. No! How do you get kills like this, dog? You don't do shit. I cannot with this projectile. Wait, am I actually doing tank things, guys? I mean, my healers are kinda goated. Why'd I do both at the same time? I don't know. It's okay. We don't talk about it. Oh. I'll wait until Luna ults or some. Wait, stop. No, I can hit her. Yeah, melee! I sent you a video. Gonna grasp them like a baseball bat. Oh, hey, me next. Oh shit! Wait, no, Jeff, you whore. Wait, can I? Oh, that does not work. Oh, that does not work. Got it. Noted. Noted for next time. No. It's okay. It's okay. I'm trying. Ah, yeah. Oh, Luna ult pog. Oh, Luna's about to die. Sorry, bud. I guess I should. Oh, you're goated. Oh, you're goated. Wait. No. Ow, let me get Jeff. No, stupid shark, bitch. Oh, guys. Oh, guys. Oh, dang it. The mag thirst is so hurt. You feel me? Desire SB, thank you guys for the follows. Welcome. Magic. Where's my Warp Store fucking shout out? Where are my mods? Did nobody give you a shout out? That's fucked up. Hello, mods. Where's my shout out for Warp Star? Okay, you're not the only mod. Where's Deli? Huh? Oh wait, is he making food? Mods are doid. Bye, mods. Bye. See, if Vampy was a mod, she would have done it. I'm just saying.
I would have done it.
Oh god, that's my goat. That's my slime. Thank you, W mods. Hi, Kissy. Welcome back. How was your shower? Mods are on vacation. Mods are like, I do not get paid enough for this shit. They don't get paid at all. Magic needs a buff. Flyers are too OP.
We don't get
paid. Okay, maybe.
Wait, you guys
but
are
like,
getting paid?
Again. Nuh-uh. Nuh-uh. I smell so good. Now I want to sit. Oh my god, you smell great, Princess Winnoway. Can't confirm. Oh, Winnoway can confirm. Why now? Oh, I do not like playing Magneto, by the way. Did I mention that? I've ever told you about that? I don't know what I'm doing. Oh, fuck. I'm stuck. Can I boobale myself? Oh, shit. Oh, shit. I got a kill, guys. Yeah. Oh, shit. Bye. Deathly Dens, thank you for the follow. Welcome. Magic buff? She doesn't need one. I do not think Magic needs a buff. I mean, yes, flyers are goated, but She has an E that can reach them. Hello? I didn't think I'd see Peach play tank. They requested this! And I wanted to play with the sexy skin. He saw it, so. Leave Magic alone. Don't buff her. Yeah, I genuinely do not think she needs a buff. She can reach flyers in the air. Huzzah. Nuh-uh. Oh my god, she's on my fucking ass now. Hello? Okay, well.
I'm going crazy.
Saboon, thank you for the follow! Ole mole. The sound his right click makes me want to die. Why? It's good! Not supposed to get kills. You stand there and soak up damage to try and damage their squishies. Okay. But I want to get kills though. Toast is 9 and 4 and I'm 3 and 6. I don't think I'm doing it right, guys. Here you go, Buenzas. I know you needed that so bad.
Thank you. Protect me.
Okay, Buenzas. I will. I will do just that. Oh boy. Oh. Okay. I'm protecting myself. Oh no. I'm an L mag. Mag sound effects are the right amount of serotonin. I'm